Hey everybody, Varun here once again from Language Academy. I've got Smit with me. He has recently smashed his PTE exam, 8 each, and that too in the very first attempt after the classes. The very first thing about Smit I would like to tell you is that I met you around a month ago, and he straight away came up to me and he told that next month I'm going to give each and everything to PTE. I'm giving up my job. You didn't go to work for a month, and now you have sorted your PTE, 8 each in PTE. Smith, before you came here, you took 2 attempts, and in one of them you didn't even get 7 each, and in the next one you got around 65, right? And this time you have got overall 83, listening is 86, reading 85, speaking 84, writing is 85 as well. Almost 8.5 bands in all the modules. How does that feel? What do you think was the difference this time, which was very vital and you think was the major reason, major factor which helped you to go from 65 to 83?
Like I practice a lot during classes and in labs, so that helped me a lot in getting 85 overall. And I will recommend everyone to practice a lot, each and everything, so they might come in your exam as well.
That's right guys, so it's very important to practice. But what do you think was the difference that you didn't practice a lot, in your previous attempt, or the things were different this time, you had better understanding? What was the difference this time?
Like you guys told me to how the marking works, so I worked on that, and I got to know that some parts are not that important and some are very important. So I worked the parts which are very important.
That's right guys, so clear vision of the PTE exam, how it is marked, what is important, what is not, is very crucial and will help you to get over the line. Let's come on to your reading. You were scared about it.
Yeah.
You were telling me I'll not get in reading, I'll get in others, I don't know how I'll get it. But you have got 85 in reading, which is a great score, right? From 65 to 85, a very great score. What is important for reading and how did you smash it?
Like in previous attempt I just got 65, so I was very scared that I won't get 879 in reading. So you guys told me just practice all the blanks from your website, and I did all the blanks 4 times, so that's like around 1200 blanks. So it makes me feel more comfortable.
Yeah, that's right. Guys, see, he has practiced. It's not like that he just went there, fluked everything and got the score. You have to put in the hard work. He practiced on 1200 blanks, and that's something very great, very hard, I'll say. You need to have a lot of dedication, lot of willpower to practice 1200 blanks. But yes, that is what will help you to get over the line. That will give you the fruits. You will get 8 each if you practice like he did. Let's come on to your listening section. What do you think is important for listening? Because listening is 86, a great score. Students are even struggling to get 17 listening.
Yeah, like as I said before, you guys told me that writing from dictation is very important, and all the methods you told me to crack it. So I practice a lot writing from dictation. I practice about more than 1500 sentences from your website, and I was making lots of mistakes in spelling, so you guided me on that as well about a week ago. So that helped me a lot in listening blanks.
That's right guys, so spellings are very important for listening as well, because listening is going to contribute heavily towards your writing section, and if you're writing wrong spellings in listening, you will lose points in listening and writing. Be very careful about that. And yes, 1500 right from dictations, and the result is in front of you. Smith, let's wrap it up. Any final piece of advice for students out there who are on the same situation, in the same situation like you were, that yes, I've only got 65 and I'm not really sure that I will get 79 ever or not. They are about to give up, they don't really believe in themselves, and only a month, you only practice for a month, and that's a great improvement, I'll say, from 65 to 85 or 86 overall actually. What do you think was important, and what should they do to get a score like you did?
Actually, you said before that I left the job, and that's the most important thing, because we can earn money later. So I left the job and practiced for a month continuously from 12 to 9 every day. So that helped me a lot. So I will recommend all students that job is not important. Once you get PR, you can earn a lot of money after that.
That's right guys, so you should have a clear vision. You should aim that yes, you should set your priorities. PT is your priority. You can work throughout your life, but once the time is gone, your visa expires, it is going to make things difficult for you. Guys, set your priorities right. Make a plan how you have to achieve everything. He used to spend 9 hours in the lab, and that is what I believe is the main reason, because yes, there are technicalities in PT, I can say you have to learn a bit, but again, if you don't really practice or use the strategies, get the feedback on the strategies, whether you're using them properly or not, you won't get the score. So guys, practice is very important, and practicing on the right material and getting the feedback is important as well. That's it from this video guys. Congratulations once again, and I'll be back with another success story. Thanks guys.